Hi, I'm Miss Britton, and today we're going to be doing more comparison problems with tape diagrams. Let's look at our first problem. Miss Britton has 3 pets. You can probably hear one of them. Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. How many pets does Miss G have? So let's take a look at the numbers that they give us, what they tell us. Miss Britton has 3 pets. Miss G has 1 fewer pet. Nugget. Buddy. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. I know you hear the dogs outside, but it's okay. They're allowed to be there. Sorry. So, Miss Britton has 3 pets. This one is Nugget. Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. How many pets does Miss G have? So I'm gonna start out and give both of us tapes. So Miss Britton, label it with a B. Nugget, please stop. And a G for Miss G. Miss Britton has 3 pets. Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. So I don't know my smaller number in this case. I do not know at least how many pets both of them have. So I'm gonna start out with that unknown part being my first tape. And that's what I need to figure out. I need to figure out that missing part. They do tell me though that Miss Britton has 3 pets, so I'm going to label the whole for Miss Britton as 3. Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. This is where I have to think about it a little bit. So to finish Miss Britton's tape, I need another part. Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. So if Miss G has 1 fewer pet, that also tells me that Miss Britton has 1 more pet. So I can fill in that other part of the tape diagram with a 1. Miss Britton has 1 more pet than Miss G, and Miss G has 1 fewer pet than Miss Britton. So now I have enough information and I can fill out the rest of my tape diagram. I can figure that out. I can either count on, so I can start at 1 and I can add another number I can count on until I get to 3, which is my whole Miss Britton's total number of pets. Or I can also subtract. Subtract. I start with my bigger number when I subtract, so I have enough to take away. And then I can also find that missing part that way. So let's try counting on first. I'm going to start at 1, which is my part, stick it in my head, and then stop when I get to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I counted on 2 more times. Don't need my marker, buddy. I counted on 2 more times. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. And there's my missing number. And I can also try subtracting 3, and I can count back 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So either way you did it would work fine. Now I can revisit my question so that it helps me write my statement. How many pets does Miss G have? So I'm going to answer that question with a full sentence. Miss G has, down here, just fits down there. Miss G has 2 So Miss G has 2 pets. Great job finding our answer with our double tape diagrams. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.